Hello for everyone, my name is Noor, I'm from Bidashan Beauty Lounge and I'm going to show you how to follow steps of Caviar hand treatment. First of all, wash your hands and dry. Using a spatula, apply an evenly thin layer of silky skin mixture over the hands. Wet your hands, fingertips with warm water and gently work on the peel with circular movements. Continue massaging hands for 5 minutes. Remove the peel using magic towel and warm water. Foam a small quantity of Phytogel cleanser and apply to wet hands. Massage for 4 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. After that, using a spatula, apply small amount of Caviar mask on your hands. Wrap the hands with plastic and disposable towel on the top. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic and massage mask residue for 5 minutes. Wipe off the excess with magic towel. After that, apply Timeless Repair Cream and massage it until fully absorbed. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy Caviar hand treatment.